Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Built Prado. Today I'm here with Touring Deluxe, or Harry, who I work with, and we're just taking some local tracks in the Adelaide Hills. Now, this is a random sort of like multiple videos just thrown together, but hopefully you enjoy it because you enjoyed the last one, so we've done it again. And maybe if it's good audience engagement from you guys, we'll hit it in the rain, like peak rain, when these are like a metre high full of water. So stick around for that and we'll see you guys soon.
Gonna drop. slow, real slow. Really slow, just creep. Stop turning, straighten up. You're gonna drop now. Yeah. Just creep. Yeah, you're gonna go. Back's about to drop.
Okay, we just went through this section down here, and pretty much it's alongside a farm fence, and it's so low, and because my car's quite high, I scraped everything pretty much. Harold's alright with his Lux because it's a bit lower, but I'll show you. So there's like, you can't really tell any damage, but you can just see heaps of evidence that we went through 100 trees. There was literally a gum tree branch up here before I took off. But that's the problem with this car. It's quite high, as you'd imagine. So it kind of just hits every single tree that you drive through. So just heaps of stuff everywhere. With Harry, like this is his highest point almost, and there's nothing there. So, but really good drive, really fun. Alright guys, so I just want to let you know the track is called 4 by track. So literally number 4, BY, then track. Now, it's just below Forest Ranges, below Kersbrook, above Harndorf, that's the area. And yeah, it's actually free and it's private property, and the guy can let you guys go on it pretty much. So all you have to do is just make sure you clean up after yourself, don't leave your tins and cans lying around. And yeah, it's literally maintained by him. There's big trees that fall over, he clears them out of the way. So you just gotta like be respectful of the place and make sure it stays clean, and then everyone can have a crack. But you guys can go on these tracks yourself. So with that information, use that wisely and go have a crack at the tracks. Oh yeah, and in the wet, that track's insanely more difficult and hard, as I'm told. So just keep that in mind. If you're wanting to do it, maybe take someone else if you're going after it's rained a lot. But not rained a lot, there's side tracks and it's not too bad. And that main run is the craziest part. Going up that in the wet would be so difficult, but I'm sure you guys at home would be able to do that. But I don't know, it's a lot of work for the old Prado with the CVs. Might need a solid for an actual conversion. Ooh. Thanks so much for watching. Now go follow Harry. When he gets 1,000 followers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Now, yes, we've got a bit of mud, but like I said before, we'll come back in the rain, and if it's more hectic than this, my car struggled as it was. So. And also Harry's going to get 35s and he's going to send it to there as well. So get keen for that, guys. Catch you next time. I built Prado. Woo!